Introducing the 2008 Volkswagen Passat. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Volkswagen prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a leather steering wheel, turn signal indicator mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Volkswagen also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.